What's going on, everybody? It's Trey Neo here, and I'm not at my normal setup. That's going to be kind of the point of this video. I'm on vacation this week, just on my laptop. I normally have 3 monitors in front of me, just on my laptop, still trading, still making content. Gonna look to see how well a trader can perform while on vacation. The big allure, one of the largest allures of trading, is to be able to do it anywhere. Have that freedom. You can go away, take a laptop with you, still make a living, right? So you're going to get to see live trades in this video, as you will continue all week on this channel, just as we always do, just with a little bit of a different backdrop, worse camera quality, all that kind of stuff. But hopefully you're excited. Hopefully you're ready to see the trades. I take a lot of trades off camera too. I traded almost all day today. Sitting around with the family on the laptop, just kept trading. So there's a lot of trades off camera, so make sure you stick around to the end. We'll cover those, trader view statistics, all that. Hit like, hit subscribe, and let's go! Trade as the system does. The system doesn't enter until the close of the bar. It's a little frustrating when this happens. Like, it's already kind of breaking down. But we are now short at 439.08. Ooh, getting some immediate resolution in our direction. But once again, we need it to break this blue line before we cover. Don't want to take profits too early, but we are up $25 in this trade immediately. Let's see, though. Once again, another huge pop. We didn't short this candle. We didn't short this candle because it was coming from a cover condition. You know, you wait. You don't short the big green candle. That's another bonus to this system, the way it works, the way it doesn't trade if it meets both conditions. It won't short the huge green candles, right? But got short the next candle, getting some immediate resolution in our direction, but it needs to break the low of 5 bars back, which is currently this bar. Looks like it's about to go down to this bar, and then we start to come up. Let's see. Up $27 now, but not covering until we're supposed to. So what do we put when we want to buy to short it? Do we just buy the stock itself? On SPY, it's brokerage dependent, but on easy to borrow stocks on Thinkorswim, I literally just hit the sell button. I just hit sell market and I get short. A lot of other brokerages, you actually have to hit short instead of sell. But on TOS, if it's easy to borrow, I can just hit sell. And if I'm in no position, or even if I'm in, say I'm in 100, if I'm in 100 shares long and I type in 200 and hit sell, it'll sell my 100 and short 100. You can reverse trades like that too. It is brokerage specific though. But if you're using Thinkorswim, yeah, if you want to short, if it's easy to borrow, you could just hit the sell button, right? If it's hard to borrow, you have to go pay locate fees. You have to buy the locates on the stock to short, but SPY will never be hard to borrow. Okay, this is a cover candle. This is a cover candle. I am considering covering half, as this is a really nice breakdown. I'm actually going to. Where's my enter button on this laptop? Crap. Once again, it bounced back up a little bit on us, but we did cover half. We covered half at 438.63. I was trying to find my enter key, and I think it cost me a couple bucks, but it's all fine. Getting used to this laptop trading life. Okay, we'll cover the rest in 30 seconds. This bar closed in 30 seconds. We'll cover the rest. We are now up 42 bucks on the day. Very nice. Very, very nice. This is a nice little win here. Once again, shorting into the strength, covering into the weakness. Once again, this looks fancy. Oh my gosh, algorithm, code, lines. Wow, this looks so fancy. Trey, I don't understand algorithms. Algorithms are hard. I don't know how to code. At the end of the day, once again, what are we doing? Selling strength, buying weakness. Or sorry, reverse what I just said. Selling strength, buying weakness, selling strength, buying weakness, right? Whether short or long. At the end of the day, don't have to overcomplicate it in your head. That's all we're doing. We are out, and we are now up 30 bucks on the day. Did get a small bounce on the end of that candle, but up 30 bucks on the day now. Nice little win there. This is the long candle. RSI just went back over 40. Wow, what is happening? SPY is super, super volatile right now. What the world? Is that a big fake out dump? Look at that. Big breakdown dump. But hey, the system's about to get back in. RSI's back over 40. Ooh, unless it breaks that green line. Unless it breaks this. Wow. Wow. This might break the sell condition. What a bar. Hello? I really don't love the idea of buying after this big green candle, but I'm going to because the system is. We are long, and we're immediately exiting. Okay. This immediately broke the green line, so the close of this candle, we're immediately exiting. We got back in long because the RSI got back over 40. What the world just happened? SPY is super, super, super volatile. Look at this. It just flushed. Oh, that just bear trapped everybody and their mothers. Look at that flush. By the way, I'm selling half here. This is a really nice push. Selling half, 438.25. Look at look at this huge breakdown into immediate bullish engulfing candle break back up. Wow. Wow. We made a little bit of money in this trade. We're not gonna make a whole heck of a lot because we're kind of buying after the big pump candle, but we're gonna make a little bit of money in this trade. We did sell half at 438.20. We're selling the second half here in 10 seconds. Back to green on the day. Wow, what a move in the markets. What a move in SPY. It just huge bear trapped everybody. Everybody that shorts lows just got trapped hard down here. Gross. Okay. Oh, we're actually not back to green on the day. We got enough of a breakdown that we're down $4. So what are we making that trade? About 20. We are short here. Now we're shorting 438.11. We're shorting the pop, right? We're gonna short into the strength. That's where we are shorting. That's where the system is shorting, right? So we are short here, 438.11. Some immediate squeeze against us, but wow, the markets are volatile this morning. This is fun. This is fun. Well, it's going to be fun if we can get one of these big volatile moves to go our way. But either way, this is fun. Skamazed. Squozed. I need to make a squozed emote. Treyding, what up, my guy? Yep. Short 438.11. As SPY is now ripping up, breaking over levels. We're shorting, right? Shorting the strength, not shorting the weakness. I still can't get over this bear trap. That was massive. That was massive. We'll see. I mean, this could still squeeze against us. It could still continue squeezing, but at least we're in a much better position, right? We're in a much better position than these people are. It doesn't mean we never get squeezed. Oh my God, Trey always shorts the strength, so he's always shorting the top. Oh my gosh, like, of course it can continue squeezing. Anything can happen. But this system and the point of trading is to put yourself in the best possible positions, right? And shorting, breaking up, instead of shorting the lows, it's putting yourself in a much better position over the long run, right? Excuse me. VERU, trapping downside, VERU. Good luck. Once again, I can't really look at other stocks much today. I don't have my three monitor set up in front of me, so I kind of have to just focus on SPY today, but good luck, obviously, trading other stocks. Good luck. We are looking to cover the break of the blue line, which is currently all the way down here. How volatile SPY is this morning, we could get some kind of move like that. I'm not saying it's likely, but SPY is a volatile beast this morning. We could get some kind of move like that. That would be sick. Currently looking at this bar. So the next bar, obviously this bar just opened in 50 seconds. The next bar, the cover condition comes all the way up here, as you can see via the blue line on the study on the left screen there. But we are up $30 in this trade. Well, yeah. We're up $30 in this trade. The PL, our total PL on the day is 25. Not covering until we're supposed to, though. What a morning on SPY. This has been very fun. I'm glad I still traded this morning. This has been very fun. It's not a big P&L moving day for us either direction, whether green or red. We're actually just about break even right now. But the trading has been fun. The trading has been exciting. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. The cover condition comes all the way up here. So we won't need much of a breakdown of the next bar. It's not going to immediately be a cover candle because, of course, we're getting some green here, but don't need much now for this to become a cover candle. Blue line all the way up here. So, of course, it's going to push. Excuse me. This is what I mean, by the way, when you hear me complaining about, oh, man, we're about to get covered, and then the markets move. You can see, like, now you guys can see it. You guys can see the study. Look at how close we are. Just break that blue line down and we can cover. Don't squeeze now. If it does, it does. Trade the system like you're supposed to. Yep. Okay, this is now a cover candle. In 25 seconds, we are covering wherever this bar closes. Can we get a breakdown over 25 seconds? Can we be covering down here at 437.4? Come on, why not? Why not a little 20-second big breakdown bar here, huh, Spy? Just do it for us, why don't you? 10 seconds. 10 seconds. I'll be hitting the flatten button, getting out of the position. 5, 4, 3. Okay, we're out here. Okay, that was a 23 roughly dollar win. Nice. Once again, it's not a like big exciting day for RP&L, but SPY has been super volatile. It's much better to be gray than red, right? By the way, this is a short candle. We are short here at 438.40. We are short as the markets are still breaking up levels, still above this yellow line. Obviously, the system shorted. We shorted. Well, let's see. Hopefully, this did not just bull flag break on us. That would be a little sad. This did just make a move and then consolidate. It does look a bit like a bull flag from the human eye, but I trust my system. Always, I know the system takes positive EV trades. No need not to trust it. From the human eye, this looks a little bit like a bull flag. But also, from the human eye, this looked like a big, scary breakdown candle, and that SPY was about to go back to lows, right? Psych! Trust the system. Trade it as you're supposed to. Take the positive EV trades, right? Cover condition is looking at this low right now. It just consolidated for a while, so our cover condition is, as you can tell from the blue line, going to hover around here for a while, for a couple minutes. Come on down, markets. Come on down. It's 10:20. 9 minutes left in the first hour of the day. The live first hour that you guys get recorded for YouTube. 9 minutes left in that. This might be the last trade, especially if it starts squeezing into us. It will definitely be the last trade. We'll see. We'll see. I do plan on continuing to trade this morning. I will have my laptop with me. I am still working today, so I'll have my work laptop and I'll have this laptop. So I will be trading the rest of the day today. So you guys on the YouTube video, probably after this trade, will get a cut right into how the rest of my day went. You guys on Twitch will have to wait until closing bell to get that video. Here we go. Nice little move in our direction. Nothing much yet. Obviously, the cover condition's still all the way down here, so we're not getting too excited yet, but something. Something. Excuse me. Cough. The talking makes me cough. I don't cough like at all throughout the day, but like when I'm streaming, for like the last like month, I feel like when I'm streaming, I've been coughing a lot. It's been kind of annoying. Wow. Okay. Unfortunate little breakouts here for our position. We are now, we're still up $45 in the day. We're down $25 in this position. Gosh, SPY is so volatile today. I feel like for the last like 2 weeks, like a bar like this, we would have been like, oh, okay, we're down like $7. But now, like a bar that like, it like looks innocuous, right? But we're down $30 in this trade now. SPY is super, super volatile today, which once again is fun. It's really been a whipsaw morning for our P&L. We'll see how the rest of the day goes. But it's been a really back and forth morning for our P&L. We were up 50, I think, immediately. Then we were up then we went back down $10, and then we were up 66, and now we're currently only up 30. We're still in open position here, but it's been quite the volatile whipsaw morning for our P&L. But fun to trade nonetheless, and once again, we'll see how the rest of the day goes, and we'll see how this trade goes. Anything can still happen. Maybe this trade squeezes all the way against us, and we're down $100. That could happen. The SPY is very volatile this morning. If it decides, what the hell does that mean? But if the markets are going to go for a run here, this could squeeze us pretty badly with how volatile it is, and with us not having a stop loss to the upside. But trade the system, right? Trade the system. This is very nice. I don't think you guys on YouTube have seen this yet, but I'm sitting in my mom's house. They have a theater room. I'm sitting in a movie theater room right now trading. I should get like CNBC up on the theater screen for the rest of the days this week. I'm sitting in a big, nice, like comfortable leather theater chair though. I should have kicked my feet up. Why didn't I do that? I'll do that tomorrow. I'm gonna kick my feet up and relax. We are getting squeezed into. Here we go. All right. All right. Very cool. Very fun. Things you love to see. What was I just talking about? If Spy is going to go on a bull run here, it could squeeze us for $100. We're down $92 in this trade now. All right. Really cool. Once again, jeez Louise. What a whipsaw morning for RPNL. What a whipsaw morning for RPNL. Hopefully throughout the rest of the day today, we can take advantage of some of this volatility. We've been able to in a couple of trades, and then this has been the worst trade so far. This has been the biggest moving P&L trade so far, but we've been able to take advantage of the volatility in some trades, and we've not in some trades. That's why the P&L has been so back and forth. And look at this. This is a ridiculous move. SPY just went high a day. What a redonkulous move this is. All right, how bad is this going to squeeze us? How high are you going to go, SPY? Once again, no stop losses on the shorts. It's got to come back. It's got to come break this blue line. Have you worked on automating it yet? What, the system? Yeah. I've worked on it. It's very complicated though. It's a lot more complicated than I thought it was going to be. The actual API to tell, hey, Thinkorswim, this is your API for buying and selling stocks or shorting and covering stocks. That part's easy. It's the initializing of the charts and initializing, well, not of the charts. The TOS API does all that, but it's the initializing, like getting everything set up, getting all the groundwork set up is the hard part. It's more complicated than I thought, but I am still working on automating it slowly. I'm not going to pretend that I'm putting like a lot of hours into it. But automation of the system is still in the cards. Yes, it is something I would still love to do. Yes, it's just I'm not smart enough. Somebody asked me the other day, Trey, why haven't you automated this yet? Because of my own knowledge. That's the choke point right now. my own knowledge is the choke point. If I could just flip a switch and automate this, yeah, I would. Of course I would. Okay, small move back in our direction, but the cover condition is still all the way down here after this big of a move, so still not looking to cover anytime soon. We will see. We are down $80 in this trade now. We were down over 100 at worst. Back to break even on the day now. Down $66 in the trade. But not looking to cover anytime soon. This could just be a pullback into the next rip. We will see. Check out Puoto GUI. We'll simplify it a lot in Python. Yeah, it is Python. Python is the language I'm using, and I'm not on my home computer. What IDE did I download? I don't even remember what IDE I downloaded. It's like the free one that everybody uses. Why can't I can't remember which IDE I downloaded. I'm trying to instantiate and get set up, but I'll look at that. Wow, I don't even know what that is. Is that Chinese? Here we go. Really nice move down. Okay. We're still, we're still down $45 in the trade, but it's starting to come back in our direction a little bit. Once again, still got to break this blue line to cover, so we're still not getting out, and this could still just be a pullback before the next rip. But we're getting closer. We are getting closer. Back up $30 in the day. Once again, we don't talk about unrealized though. This is why also what I always say, I always say don't celebrate unrealized gains. We also don't panic unrealized losses, right? I mean, we were down over $100 up here. I wasn't freaking out, and now we're only down 35. Gotta let that work emotionally for you both ways, right? Don't celebrate unrealized gains. Don't panic unrealized losses. I'm actually considering covering half here. I am going to cover half here. This is now a cover candle, and this is a really big breakdown, so I'm covering half. And I'll be covering the rest in 15 seconds. And we're only going to lose like $20 in this trade. Nice. I mean, it's still a loss, right? But because we don't panic, oh my gosh, SPY is breaking up. It looks so bullish. I have to get out here. No, still wait for it to come your direction. This is once again why it's been so hard to find a stop loss that works for shorts. It's because the shorts can come back in your direction so quickly, right? Like a lot of stop losses would have got me out there for maybe like a $70, $80 loss, and instead I lost I think I lost $33 in that trade. I think I was up 69 before that trade. but we were down over 100 at worst. Alrighty, so that ends the first hour of the session, the live recorded part, where I show you the trades that move the most. I don't show you every trade. You might notice you skip some trades in there. I take a lot of trades. This system takes a lot of trades. As you can see on your screen right now, the left side is the system, the right side is my real trades. But the system takes a lot of trades. During that first hour, I kind of just try to show you the exciting ones. But we ended that session up a little over $30, and we ended the day up $30.73. Just an absolute, just another just whipsaw session. If I go ahead and turn on display capture now, you should be seeing it. But look at the journal from today. This is my P&L throughout the day. We were up about $70, about $69 during that morning session. And then this was the last trade you saw. We were way down and ticked up. And then we ended up, after that, we ended up going down just about $60. And then we pulled it back up to 50 and then back to break even and then up to 30. It's just one of those days, guys. We're just all over the place. But hey, you know, on vacation, sitting around, hanging out, having a good time, and still making money. You know, I'm happy with it. It's just one of those crazy whipsaw days. Here's the statistics over time. Let's go to 60-day. You all can see every trade taken using the system now. We're up $1,200. Still trending in the right direction. Obviously, the last like kind of week and a day now have been pretty slow, but we'll get back into it. The system, you know, if this is the worst part of the system, being a little slow like this, I'll take it, you know. But still continuing to obviously trend in the correct direction. We will click on detail to let you see any of these stats that are interesting to you. I'm not going to run through them all right now, but you can pause the video if they are. And with that, we will go ahead and let's turn this off. Sorry, laptop video making. Yeah, but that's trading on vacation, right? Today was a super whipsaw day, but we ended up making a little bit of money. Actually, if you look right here, you can see the system lost $155 today. There was a time when SPY was this. I didn't take this trade. I could see SPY was in a really nice uptrend, and I know my longs don't have stop losses. So I saw SPY in an uptrend, and when the system, obviously the system took a short here, this is me exiting a long, this is me exiting this long. I didn't take this short, which obviously got crushed. I mean, the system lost a couple $100 in this trade. Vis-a-vis why the system is down 150 and I'm up 30. But luckily, I decided to not take this trade, and that's why we're so much better than the system today. So, you know, sometimes some human interference can help out the system. But, yep, that's going to be the video for today. Once again, my videos are going to be more like this week while I'm on vacation. We'll see if we can bring in some decent profits as we continue throughout the week. $30 today, but hey, sitting around on vacation, still made at least a little bit of money, still greatly outperformed the algorithm, so that's nice. So a decent little day overall. Hit like if you enjoyed, please. It really does help. Hit the red subscribe button if you're new. We're over 1,000 now, which is awesome. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out today's video. I will catch you all in the next one.